is giving away free AI course. So you just literally have to just come and register. I will drop the link in the description of this video below. So you just have to come and register. You literally have to learn everything about Cloud AI, Cloud 101, all you need to do about cloud automation, the core features, the workflow, and how to automate your project and your task. And you can even go deeper as learning the development workflow and how to collaborate with different AI projects and efficiently. And not only that, you will have to learn how to you also learn how to integrate Cloud API and also how to connect with other resources over there. And not only and most even the AI influence for educators, you will all learn about that and also how to engage and bring in and get more jobs using the AI tools, which is the cloud AI. So all of these things are all packaged in this free AI course. So rush down to the description and download the link and click on the link to get access to the course. Of course, it's free, and by the end of the video, you will have your certificate. So this is the procedure. Just click the Cloud 101 for a quick start. Then you enroll for the course. You can click register here, and you can see it's totally free. And I mean, it encompasses a lot. And by the end of it, you will have your certificate. So rush now, friends. Inform your friends, and don't forget to like, share, and save for more. Thank you.